স্যার।
এটা কোনটা?
এটা DJI Pocket।
अरे वाह, she's also using a DJI Pocket. What's up, Tanuka? So best wishes for What's up, Tanuka.
Thank you. Hello guys, good morning and welcome back to What's Up Tanuka. Welcome to a new video. This is part 2 of the best dosa here in Bangalore. Now, if you have not seen the part 1, go and check it out on my channel. And yes, we wanted to start this video very strong. So the first place that we are going to is Vidyarthi Bhavan. Now I've heard so much about this place that I was so excited to try dosa here for a very long time, and today finally that is happening. So yes, the josh is high and now let's go. Okay guys, so as I said, I wanted to start this video with a bang. So here we are at Vidyarthi Bhavan to start the video, and you can see the crowd outside waiting to enter. But as I said, I don't mind waiting in line if the destination is good food. So yeah guys, Vidyarthi Bhavan opened in 1943 as a very small tiffin service or a canteen for students, and hence the name Vidyarthi Bhavan, which means students house. And they are very famous for their buttery crispy masala dosa, and that is what we are going to try here today, obviously with a cup of coffee. So yeah, as soon as I can enter, we'll go in. Same camera, sir.
এটা কোনটা?
এটা DJI Pocket.
अरे वाह, she's also using a DJI Pocket.
You have the DJI 3, right?
This is the DJI 3.
Oh yeah, this is the 2.
Oh, okay, wonderful.
I have a very new channel. I've just
What's it
started. What's Up Tanuka.
What's up, Tanuka? So best wishes for What's up, Tanuka.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Guys, waited for 45 minutes. Initially when we took the token, they told us that it's going to be almost a 45 minutes wait, and it's exactly that. We waited for 45 minutes and finally got a seat here in Vidyarthi Bhavan. So we are very excited. I'm waiting for the waiter to come and take our orders, and we are going to order a masala dosa and we are going to order one coffee. This is our masala dosa and a generous amount of coconut chutney right here, and let me just show you. This is the dosa. So taking the first bite of this masala dosa along with the chutney, and I was told that the chutney here is really famous. So let's try this. The chutney is very spicy, a little bit spicy.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a little spicy.
That purpose only people is doing it. You will not find this type of chutney. Normally this is sweet. This is little different type.
Very flavorful.
When
I
you
can
are young,
taste the ghee.
in schools, 35 paisa. Masala dosa. Now it is 75 rupees. 75 rupees.
So from 35 paisa till 75 rupees, you have been having it all.
8 paisa. Dara bhat 20 paisa.
Oh,
ದೋಸೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಭೋಜನ ನೋಡ 17 ದೋಸೆ ಇದೆ ಬೈತಿದ್ರು ಭಟ್ರು
ಅದೇ
ನಿಂಗೆ ಐತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ
Guys, this masala is one of the best masalas that I've tried in Bangalore so far. This masala goes so well with this crispy dosa. This is so delicious, and even this coconut chutney. Oh ho. Guys, finally done with the Vidyarthi Bhavan experience, and it was so good. I cannot tell you. The dosa was really flavorful. It was crispy. Everything that I heard about this place is actually true. And then now on to our next destination, which is Taza Tindi. Guys, we are here at Taza Tindi, which is hugely popular here in Bangalore with over 35,000 reviews on Google. So yeah, very excited to try this place. This is almost closing time, so let's go in quickly. Guys, we have the menu right here. You can see there are not too many options here, and this is actually intentional so that people are quick in choosing what they want to have. So for this video, you already know I'm going to try their masala dosa, and the price of the masala dosa is only 35 rupees, which I think is great. This is by far the cheapest dosa that I'm having. Guys, this is our masala dosa, and this is the coconut chutney. Now they don't have any sambar as well, and let me show you inside. It's very hot, and I can see some masala sprinkled along the dosa as well. And this is our little masala. Okay guys, so we are here at Taza Tindi in Jayanagar, and I have already got my masala dosa right here. So this place actually opened in 1976, and Taza Tindi literally means fresh snacks. So as I was telling you guys that they do not have a lot of options here, and the main purpose of that is so that people do not waste too much time choosing what to have and what not to have. They have kept the options very small, and that is how they run a successful business. So taking the first bite of my masala dosa here in Taza Tindi, let's see. No matter how many places I'm trying, the coconut chutney flavor is different in every place. Here the coconut chutney is actually a little subtle in taste, and it's not as spicy as Vidyarthi Bhavan or CTR for that fact. There is a little bit of sourness in the dosa, so the dosa batter is a little bit fermented, it feels, and that gives it a very unique taste. Now let me try the masala, because I've not tried the masala yet, so let me just quickly try the masala here. So I've got the masala. The masala has such a great taste. It's very unique. It's not very overpowering. It's subtle as usual. But this tastes completely different from what we had just now in Vidyarthi Bhavan. Done with Taza Tindi. On to our next place. Come along. So guys, the next place that I'm going to is Mahalakshmi Tiffin Room. And this was founded in 1926, so a very long time since they are operating, and I'm very excited to go and try the dosa here. Guys, this Mahalakshmi Tiffin Center was suggested to me while I was having my dosa at Vidyarthi Bhavan by a very kind gentleman, and I thought why not try it, because this was established in 1926, and as they say, building something new is still easy, but maintaining a legacy is very difficult. So I'm very excited to try the dosa here and see if they have actually maintained the legacy, because I've heard so many good things about this place. This place is a little underrated. Not many people know about it, but yeah, we are going to try the dosa here today. Guys, I've already ordered and my order is a sagu masala dosa and a filter coffee. Now I'm having sagu masala dosa for the first time in my life. I've always had masala dosa, plain dosa, penne dosa, but this is my first time having sagu masala dosa, so I'm very very excited. Guys, right there on the board it says no big service, so the atmosphere here is very very relaxed. You know, people are taking their own time, which I am not complaining about, honestly. Yeah, I'm okay to wait if the food is good. So guys, this is my sagu masala dosa. This is some butter that I can see right here, and this is obviously the coconut chutney that is very very common. We do not have any sambar with this, but let's open this up. So opening this up, oh wow. So usually in masala dosa you only have a potato filling, but in this I can see different vegetables. I can see some carrots, and I think these are turnips if I'm not wrong, and we also have some coconut tempering, and the dosa looks really good. You can see it's a decent sized dosa, and obviously we have my very favorite coconut chutney along with it. So now let's get into tasting it. Really really crispy, really nice. Now we're going to take a little bit of the sagu along with the dosa and see how that tastes. So I've got here some sagu along with the crispy dosa. I've not put in the coconut chutney because I wanted to taste the sagu along. So best decision, guys, best decision to order this sagu masala dosa, because the sagu is so flavorful. I can taste a very strong flavor of chilies in this as well, which I am loving it. I don't like spicy food too much, but this is so good. I've taken some butter here along with the sagu and the dosa. I'm going to dip this in chutney, so all the good things combined, and we are going to have it now. So guys, had some lovely sagu dosa here at Mahalakshmi Tiffin Center, and the price of the dosa was 70 rupees, and then the filter coffee was only 20 rupees. So yes, on to our next destination, and our next destination is actually a little out of the box, but I'm very excited to try the dosa there, so let's go. So guys, I am going to Ranganna Military Hotel right now. I'm just walking up the steps to first floor where the actual hotel is situated. So you know, whenever we think of dosa, we usually think of sambar and coconut chutney to go with it. But I thought, why not have something non-veg and have a hearty lunch? Now this place, this Ranganna Military Hotel, is so popular for its non-veg dishes that I thought that this would be the perfect place to try that. And yes, non-veg lovers like me would definitely vouch for this place. So I'm very excited. I've heard so many good things about this place, and this is the only branch of this place in Jayanagar. There are no other branches. It's also written right at the entrance. So yes, I am here at this place and we'll go in now. So guys, the interior is very modest and very simple. There is not too much of a crowd right now, which I think is great. I didn't have to wait in line or anything. And yeah, right here I've already ordered. So guys, a little bit about this place. So this place was opened in 1964, and this has a history with the Pahalwans or wrestlers. The owner of this place was a wrestler at some point, a very popular one as well. And this place is very popular for its non-veg items. Okay, so I've ordered one plate dosa and a chicken fry to go with it. I know it's not something that you usually think of when you have dosa, but I just wanted to try it, and I just wanted to end this video a little bit differently, and that's why I came to this place. Now this place itself is very popular, don't get me wrong, this place is very very popular, but people usually come here to have mutton and biryani, but today I'm going to have dosa and chicken. So one plate dosa was 56 rupees, is 56 rupees, and then the chicken fry is 170. So yeah, decently priced. Yeah, excited. We have got two very soft fluffy dosas, and then we have some non-veg gravy, and then obviously the star of our show, the chicken fry. But I have to tell you this, I've had dosa in so many places, but this is the softest, fluffiest dosa that I've had so far. This literally is so soft. This is very soft, and I love that they have given some non-veg gravy along with this to go with this. So let me try this. First bite. Dosa almost melts in your mouth. It's that soft. Oh my god. This is one of the best decisions of my life, to come here to have dosa. I was a little skeptical because here, as I said, usually people come to have their non-veg items like chicken, mutton, biryani and all of that. But I just had this idea that the dosa here would be different. So that is why I wanted to try this place. And it was a great decision because the dosas are so soft. I cannot tell you guys, these are very soft. It just melts in your mouth. I have not had the chicken yet. I just had it with the non-veg gravy, and it's very very flavorful. So now we are going to taste this dosa along with the chicken. Along with the chicken. Guys, this place is a must. You have to come here. The taste of the chicken is so good. It's made nati style, traditional, with traditional spices and everything. It's a little like you get a hint of spice as well, of chili, but that's okay. I'm loving it. The taste is so good. I don't have any complaints. Okay guys, so just done with a hearty meal here at Rangana Military Hotel, and that was the end of this series, the best dosa in Bangalore part 2. So yes, if I've missed any place, please let me know in the comments so that I can try that place next, because I can never get tired of having some good dosa here in Bangalore. And also yes, if you liked this video, please let me know in the comment. And yes, I will see you on the next one. If you are new to What's Up Tanuka, don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye, like, share and subscribe.